Hi, toddies and goodies. Welcome to our channel Little Champs Padachalai. Today we are learning about birds quiz. A bird that can see at night. Can you guess who I am?
Owl.
Yeah, it's correct. A bird that is a symbol of peace.
Dove.
It's correct. I am the largest bird. Can you guess my name?
Ostrich.
Yeah, it's correct. A bird with beautiful feathers like a fan. Can you guess my name?
Peacock.
Yeah, it's correct. Two birds can give egg for us. Can you guess the names?
Hen. Duck.
The birds that cannot fly. Can you guess the names?
Kiwi. Ostrich. Penguin.
It's correct. I am the national bird of India. Can you guess the name?
Peacock.
It's correct. I am in black color. Can you guess my name?
Crow.
It's correct. I can fly backward or up and down. Can you guess the name?
Hummingbird.
It's correct. I can make whistle and I can talk. Can you guess the name?
Parrot.
I have a longest eyesight. Can you guess my name?
Eagle.
It's correct. Basically, birds are not having the teeth. Instead of that, birds having beak.
We are learning to